form of this expression. Our first step is to find the greatest common factors. So I need to find the greatest common factor of 12x, 42y, and 3. My factors of 12x would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and x. My factors of 42y, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42, and y. My factors of 3 are 1 and 3. As we can see, our greatest common factor is 3, so 3 will go outside of our parentheses. What do I multiply 3 by to get 12x? That's 4x, minus 3 times 14y equals 42y, minus 3 times 1 equals 3. So this is the factor form of the expression. Like terms are terms that have identical variable parts. For example, 2x and negative 3x are like terms. 2x squared and negative 3x squared are like terms. 2xy and negative 3xy are like terms. And 2 and negative 3 are like terms because two numbers are like terms. If your variables are not the same, or they do not have the same exponential value, they are not like terms. To combine like terms, they do have to share the same variable. For example, 9x plus 7x. We just add 9 plus 7, which is 16, and include our variable of x. So 9x plus 7x equals 16x. If you see a variable by itself, the numerical value is 1. So this is 1y plus 2 and 5/10 y. That's 3 and 5/10 y. Minus 3y equals 5/10 y. Determine which 3 expressions have like terms. If you look at this problem, we see that n plus 6 and 25/100 n has like terms. 1n plus 6 and 25/100 n would give us 7 and 25/100 n. 7xy minus 10xy have like terms. 7 minus 10 is negative 3xy. And finally, negative 5a plus 8a have like terms. Negative 5 plus positive 8 is going to give us positive 3a. Which expression has like terms? Combine the like terms. If you said the first expression has like terms, you are correct. Remember, the numerical value of a number of a variable by itself is 1. So negative 1 plus 3 and 5/10 would give us 2 and 5/10 x. The produce manager at the grocery store increases the price per pound of all types of fruits by 3%. 3% as a decimal is 0 and 3/100. Let P be the original price per pound of a type of fruit. Use this expression for the new price per pound of any type of fruit. So P plus 3/100 times P. We're going to simplify this equation by combining like terms. Remember, the numerical value of a variable by itself is 1. So here we're adding 1 plus 3/100. That would give us 1 and 3/100 times P.